we will to parachute all the guns of the force. Get ready, airborne from skies of blue. Getting the door coming. Make the jumps and take your boats today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute.
So today on Have a Knife Day, we're here to talk about Spyderco knives. And I found this particular knife on eBay. What a great thing to stumble upon. And as you can tell by the design of the box, this is an older model. The newer stuff comes in a box like this. So here is the knife. Damn fine looking knife at that. Little annual hole right there. And check out that blade style. And those serrations. Whew. So what we're looking at is the Spyderco C23GS Renegade large folding knife. It is a top quality product featuring a 4-inch blade made of GIN1 stainless steel with a serrated edge and a hollow grind. The knife is designed for right-handed users and has a clip point buoy blade type with a cutting edge of 3 5/8 of an inch. The handle of the knife is made of G10 and it has a lockback lock type for secure use. The knife is 9 inches long and has a 3-spool standard clip with a tip down feature. This knife is an original product from the United States. The C23 Renegade and its shorter length variation, the C24 Blackhawk, both have a traditional clip point buoy blade and a back lock locking mechanism. They were designed together and are the first Spyderco knives designed without hump in the blade and a 50-50 choil to increase safety and comfort. The C23 and 24 were initially made to appeal to the biker market. The C23 and C24 can be viewed as the predecessor of the C41 Native. The C23 Renegade appears at least in the following catalogs: the 1994 and 1997 Spyderco products catalogs. Now, GIN1 steel is a type of blade steel that has been used in various knives, including Spyderco models. Well, go figure. It is a stainless steel with improved corrosion resistance, but it may have slightly less wear resistance compared to other steels like VG10. It is known for being easy to sharpen and holding an edge decently well. 94 and 97, well, I was in the Army until 96, so this has been a hot minute, which is a great find on eBay. I could tell by some of the wear on the knife, it has been carried. I am honored to be the next holder of this particular blade. And let's take a look at it one more time. So being designed to be marketed towards bikers. This point is very, very sharp. It is a very sharp knife. And the serrations, the Spyderco serrations do a fantastic job of cutting through various things. So there you go. So tell me, what is your favorite current model of Spyderco knife? Which one are you carrying in your pocket? Which one do you have on your sights for your next purchase? And what model is the one that got away? The one that you either had to sell, or you saw it and you didn't act and now it's discontinued, like this one right here. These two examples I have here, which I have done videos in the past, are examples of the thin profile aspects of these knives. And they're so darn cool. Blade does not have to be thick in the hand to get the job done. Well, thank you so much for coming here and visiting with us here today on Have a Knife Day. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We are a veteran-run channel, and we're growing steadily at that. So with that being said, thank you so much, and have a nice day.
We will to parachute all the guns of the force. Get ready, airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door.